What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making caramel apple cookies, Crumbl style. A chewy apple cookie with caramel frosting, crunchy apples, and strudel topping makes for a perfect fall dessert. To make your cookie, add a half a cup softened butter, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, mix till combined. Then add an egg, 2 tablespoons concentrated apple juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla, mix well, making sure to scrape down the edges of the bowl. Add 2 cups flour, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix until just combined, make sure not to overmix. Using a large ice cream scoop, place cookies on baking sheet with parchment paper, pressing down lightly on each cookie. Cook for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let cookies cool completely before frosting. To make the strudel, on medium heat, melt 1½ tablespoons cold butter cubed. Remove from the heat and then add 1/4 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, mix well. Go ahead and return to the heat, stirring continuously until strudel turns golden brown. Then transfer to a plate to cool. To make the frosting, cream 5 ounces of softened cream cheese and 4 tablespoons softened butter for 3 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons caramel sauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 3/4 cup powdered sugar. Mix for 3 to 4 minutes. This will help your frosting to keep its shape. Time to decorate. And enjoy! If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.